Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Yes, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see, welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and go to the platform. You see, that one here, I give a little share my experience with the item where I have when I just come to England star. You know, see it. Yeah, you want to say, I never first time I fly on plane still, but really and truly, it's like at the first, cause long flight and the experience was far different. You see what I say? But with that said and done still, when we reach over England and thing, and you know, I look on England and the whole thing down the ground there and can't wait for land and get off of the plane and them little thing there. And the rest of Jamaica and them sitting in the plane and air hostess a give a little instruction them, you know? Follow the instruction them and thing and them say, yo, you don't know you have to buckle down and all of them thing there. You know, see? But it's like, but I don't know how, believe you me, I sit down in the plane and I just feel the plane drop suddenly like that one time. You see? So as a new youth now, you know, look around on everybody and thing like that and we say everybody sit down calm and not say nothing same way. You see? So, you know myself, I say, I wonder if this normal. See? Cause no Jamaica people stay again, you know, through pride and thing like that, them might not come. I'm afraid of plane flight. You know, see? But through, you know, Jamaica people bossy and thing like that could happen to them and them not want to say nothing to out of pride, you know? So, you know, but then I see it happen again. The same, Mr. the plane drop like whoop. That's me, I say, yo, what is? You know, see it, I'm look around for everybody again, because me hear like, you hear a little, you know, in the plane, you know, but that to them it's normal, just like a merry-go-round ride and they go up and come down to them. But me never like them sitting there neither from morning, you know. Me never like God little one them with children, where children are playing at them. You see? You know, I mean, there I get worse, uncomfortable and them little thing the star, that's. You know, I look around for everybody and everybody alright. I say all Jamaican are easy, you know, star. Them people will sit down and go dead and not say nothing, you know. Yo, me nah join that happy gang there with them, you know, Rasta. You know, see. You know, before the thought come out of my head, star, the plane not go drop again. The plane just drop again. Voop! Hey. Yeah, I just open my seatbelt and stand up and put up my hand and say, "Air hostess, by this air hostess." I shout, "Sit down, put your seatbelt on, sit down, you're landing." I say, "Hey, hear what I say?" And I look around for everybody, I say, everybody I look for me like, oh, what? You know, everybody look like, what? See it? I say, air hostess. So the plane drop, sir. That's me everybody now start like a little snigger or a little giggle, you know. I'm going to look around for everybody star and, you know, like me I want custom to, you know, I like me want to say, yo, you can't stay there like you an idiot. Here one life me having, I want to know what I want. And I say, guess I with the air hostess know the big secret. And because them, I feel them job fi keep quiet and keep we calm. Them sit down there and not say nothing. You know see, more know what go on. Cause I'm part of the conspiracy. But true Jamaican now, you know, to me now, as a Jamaican too proud and like them now Jamaican will last and continue walking till they find them way in a rasta. Now, Mr. Man knock a door and ask question, you know. Mr. Man stop all lady and ask her if she know where me I go, you know. You know, see. So by this time, go so look up and everybody start. Everybody heading at them man. Every black people in the plane. We are mostly Jamaican anyway. Everybody heading at them man. Shame, embarrassed for me. But mid of these days, you know see it, I say, hey, here hostess. What happened? What gone? Why the plane a drop so? Here hostess say, we are only cutting altitude. It's a regular thing. Please sit down. You know, see. So, yeah, when I realize say a normal thing and thing that don't know. You know, see. I'm still feeling myself like so well, then I mean. Information that we me if you know. Me never know before. Everybody will travel before know how that feel and what go on. I don't know what go on. I now go sit down here so with the whole I don't know. And don't know what go on. I want to know what go on, Rasta. You know, see it. So I still feel justified in myself, even though everybody embarrassed me and things like that. I'm still, you know, proud of myself. You know, see, look around for everybody and una and giggle and hide them face and all of them sitting there and, you know, see, sit down back and put on my seatbelt still and stay there relax until the plane land, you know. Come off of the plane. Walking at the line, at the long line of everybody, you know, see, until we reach immigration and things like that. But that was like an experience on the plane where I man never really enjoy Rasta and I man never did not sit down there and go on like I man I enjoy it. You know, see it? And next thing again now, I have some youth to send call me over East London and South London me there, you know. Some youth send call me over East London and say come check them. See? If you just call a taxi and tell the taxi the address and thing and the taxi will carry me. And then will pay the taxi. You don't know. You see it, so. Call the taxi and book the taxi and thing and sit down in the taxi and, you know, when we look is an African, I drive it. Now, from me, come to England, me I say, careful of the African, them a scammer. Don't trust the African, them. You see it? Anyway, I'm sitting in the taxi and the African are raised with me and thing, and I say, oh, where you come from? Tell him, me know Jamaica anyway, you see? Tell him, you know where I reason about them thing, where me come from, where him come from, and them go way there, and show him some just reach England, and them go way the conversation and thing, and me don't even know where me I go and them little thing there. And, you know, taxi man understand black African. True word. Black African brother understand and thing. And yeah, you don't know, man. Is there anywhere in particular, like any landmark in London where you like see, you know, for the like for the first time, yeah, you know? That's where I say, well, you don't know still, you know. Me always hear about, you know, London Bridge. I love drive across London Bridge still, you know. Taxi man say, all right, nothing wrong with that. I know we're there, you know, because we have to go across the river anyway if we got East London. And we have to drive across one of the bridge them. So, yeah, we can drive. We use London Bridge, man, you know. So that's to see what it is like. See, good enough African brother, you know, start drive on all the bridge, you know, and stop. You know, see, where you're not supposed to do. From me, I enter the bridge still, you know, I say, but I'm cool, because I say, so yeah, man, good, I forgot or something like that, because I saw them thing they go. You know, see, or when him reach on the bridge, now him stop and say, this is it, you like how it look. You know, see, so it's true, me did under a certain level of reservation now about the African them and them scamming. You know, see, me I say, John, no, brother, fool, check me fine, you know. You know, see, yo, what is the carry me and I come talk about? Yeah, a London Bridge. I that to take my fine, you know. You think it's a TV, you know, there Jamaica? You know, look how much movie London Bridge, you know. I want to tell you, London Bridge big and tall go up in the sky and it blew. And it can open and let through ship. You go like man I eat a car and pan a little something that will look like a something where somebody drop over the river where you just walk and gone boy billboard London Bridge. The man I said, no, this is London Bridge. This is I said, hey, conflict me and him in the whole time. And I say, customer for him and scammer and all them things, you know. Foul and take people for you, plus me a Jamaica, me a black brother and thing like that. You get your money and you do like me, I eat that. The man don't know what to say. The man just, you know, cause you don't know Jamaican have them little thing and thing like that. And you see, man drive where I say, your London Bridge blew and it opened up and you can, ship can come to the man and say, no, that's Tower Bridge. That's Tower Bridge. Look down the line there and you see it. I look down the river and see the big blue bridge for through. That's what I said. So, then, you don't come confused now, because me think all along me grew up right through life thinking, say, the big blue bridge will open up is London Bridge in the Rasta. You know, see, a big conflict in the taxi between me and the taxi man. The taxi man, I said, no, this is London Bridge, man. You can come out and go look on the plaque. Kind of plaque up on the bridge, you know, we have to say, yeah, this is London Bridge. But through London Bridge, it just look normal. You know, see, you don't even know. You could like if you drive across and they know. It's like there's nothing special about London Bridge. As Tower Bridge special with it features and the light up and things like that and coming a whole heap of movie. But what till it come like even the movies them, they pick Tower Bridge like a London Bridge. You see it? So, you know, taxi man carry me home and thing like, carry me up on my hands and thing like that, and I share to the man. And my man was say, yeah man, Tower Bridge that and London Bridge that for true, London Bridge low, London Bridge now have no high rail or nothing like that way. You know what I say? It just look like a normal bridge. You don't see it, but yeah man, you know, me kinda weary. I'm African brother. You know see that I say through the scamming nature and thing like that start. But you know, then an embarrassing moment Rasta, we have to just go on. You know see, pedal and wheel with him till we reach where me I go. Therefore probably about another half hour. You know him there at school, me and I tell him this is London Bridge, how the bridge them set up and the history and thing like that. You know see? Yeah man, but yeah. Yeah, man, I hit that Rasta. Come like me say, I fly on a plane already. See? I fly on a plane, I go to Miami. See? Because Miami and on an illegal passport and immigration hold me. See? And I send me back to Jamaica in a star. That's same time, you know? It's like the immigration man now really sorry for me and want to let me go. You just see it and I man go and go so now. You know me, everything will go on. Me see it, me I get an indication say. It's like him just want me go on. You know see it? So the man carry me go on man we reach in a Miami airport now from upstairs. I come downstairs to go back a departure and thing like that. How we come from arrival, you know, and we go straight back a departure. You know, just a right road. See, but when you come down from arrival now, you have a big escalator star. You know, see it? Believe you me, my general, I first me I see an escalator in a real life. Never see an escalator before. See, I'm reach at the top of the escalator, you know. Immigration just bail on the escalator and gone boy business in a Rasta. Me there up at the top of the elevator, see the escalator, yeah. See my foot, yeah. I test it. You don't see it start, that's me there, you know, by the time before, bro, make up my mind say, yo, I'm not do this, you know. By me, look now, the immigration, they're too far for me even shout him. You don't see it. So me just there stuck. And I watch the man, the big door there at the bottom of the escalator, the big exit door if you come out of Miami airport and gone in the public. And so me actually say, I let me go because I know the man will look back for me, you know. If you show you him walk, him go down the escalator and walk down, we around so me watch him, you know. See, so when the man go around the next corner now him look back. You see when him look back, straight to the door him look. Him then look behind him closer. Straight to the door him look for see if me gone through or something like that. You know, see, my sister, the man resign, and like him just say, all right, cool. He more reports at me, something and that. You know, see, but it's like one mindset to him say, look at the top of the escalator. The man look up at the top of the escalator and see me, the man goes and shake him head to blood. The man shake him head and knock it. And come back up there for me, you know. I say, yo, what? That's me. I say, yo, never right. I say, the man vex, the man hissing teeth, the man vex. White man, you know, white American man, you know, Rasta. The man vex with me. Man, I swear, man, I say, come, man, and this is how you do it. But I drag me on pallet, you know. I'm stand up on it and ride, go down there with him and me and him now. My sister, the man reluctant. If he even walk with me, it's like the man vex like the man. I say, hey, you feel me, man. I want to, what kind of idiot? The man disappointed more than me. Because me more concerned about the ride on this new blood cleat thing and now we no Rasta. When me never, if this thing are grab me too or how it work, Rasta. But John, no. I tell you, say, you know, another embarrassing moment abroad. All of them things that we live and we learn, you know? And it is a laugh. We can look back and laugh more time. You know, see it, so. It is a little experience that I want life, Rasta. The first time riding an escalator, the first time going on London Bridge, the first time landing in a plane. Yes, I. So I give thanks. You know, see it. Share and like that one, yeah. Yes, I.